This is the Sunlow PLA. This was a twin pack that I bought to print figurines like this. Seems to have good results with no stringing between the models. It's a gray and a black. This is the black I use to print SD card adapter for these Creality type printers. And this is a Nintendo character. There's some wings, wing-armed bands. So overall, there's no string in between the feathers. The feathers came out good, so looks like a pretty decent PLA for printing these types of things or whatever you might have also. There's your Solutech rolls. Some of the companies are rolling very nice now, but I don't imagine there's going to be any problem with tangling on that roll. So, happy printing, people.